Here I will share about the tools we need to replace a Mosfet on the laptop's motherboard. We already know that one of the damage to the laptop motherboard is caused due to the damage of the Mosfet. So we must be proficient to perform replacement of these components. To replace a Mosfet, we need the following equipment. 1. Heater. We can use the hot air gun or heater blower. 2. Tweezers. 3. Solder flux or flux fluids. 4. Tin or thinol. And 5. Solder. 6. Contact cleaner. This equipment can also be used to replace an IC on the motherboard of the laptop. To do Mosfet replacement, please watch this video until finish. If the Mosfet is difficult to remove, you can raise the temperature or wind speed of the hot air gun. Before installing the new Mosfet, wipe the Mosfet pins and replace the old solder with the new one so that the new Mosfet can seal well. Then plug the Mosfet using the hot air gun Make sure that the Mosfet position is correct. Notice the black dot on the corner of the Mosfet. This is the pin number 1. In the motherboard, there is a white line mark, or according the motherboard type of your laptop. Spray using CC cleaner and wipe with toothbrush, and finally dry it using a tissue. Make sure that all pins are in place and not connected to each other.